Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B, and if you're new to my channel, I cover all things home organization, home decor, and lifestyle. So be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and like this video if you love content like this. So in today's video, like I've told you guys before, I'm not fully 100% organized. I do have some problem areas in my home, and I do have to constantly upkeep and reevaluate my systems because I'm in a tiny apartment, and somehow, some way, I keep getting just more stuff. Like I don't know, like I guess I'm buying a lot of stuff. I'm not buying, am I buying a lot of stuff? Yeah, I don't know. I just keep getting random stuff like every day and I'm running out of room for a lot of things. So anyway, I'm always reevaluating my systems and figuring out what works best for me. But y'all, today I am going to be organizing my dresser drawer. So I did a video, I think like a month or two ago, about folding my clothing. So if you haven't checked that out, be sure to check out that video. I'll leave it in the cards up above and down in the description box below. I feel like even though I fold my clothes in a specific way, I like to do the foul folding, it still can get really messy. Today I'm gonna purge, and I bought some dividers and drawer organizers. So I'll be using my drawer organizers to finally organize all of my clothing in my drawers because it's just a mess. I'm gonna show you some of the drawers. I won't show you all of the drawers for privacy reasons, but I do want to give you guys some ideas and different ways that you can organize your dresser drawer at home. Also, I'll be linking the product that I'm using today to organize my drawers down below. I actually bought it from Amazon. It is really affordable. I think it was about, I want to say like 11 bucks or so, maybe a little bit more or less. I'll put the price right here. And I'll put the link down below. But if you're looking to organize your drawer or your dresser drawers, I definitely recommend getting this product. It just really helps, you know, aside from the folding and keeping everything neat, it really helps maintain the system. And I think that's what I was missing. I was doing the folding in the Marie Kondo style thing of the foul folding, but it was really hard for me to maintain it. And you know, things have been kind of coming into the house, so I don't have a shopping problem or anything like that, but like I'm always getting like random free t-shirts. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna show you guys some of my dresser drawers right now so you can see how hot, like it's a hot mess right now. Like all of them are, even, it's bad, y'all. Like don't judge me, please. But I'm gonna get it together today and I'm gonna show you the product that I will be using to organize them, and I will take you guys along with me on the journey. So let's get into it. All right, so I really like want to do a whole just dresser drawer remodel. So I think I'm gonna do a second part to this video. So the first part obviously is gonna be me organizing everything in my dresser drawer. Like I said, I'm gonna only show you guys a few of the organization, or just like before and after, not everything. And then the second part is gonna be just redoing my whole like look of my dresser. This is an IKEA dresser drawer. So I think it's a great dresser drawer for the price, but it can be spruced up a little bit. It's a little basic how it is, and I'll show you guys in a minute. I've had this kind of like little setup for a while now, and I really want to change it up just a little bit, not anything drastic. So I really want to change kind of the look in here. Oh wow, okay. Anyway, I really want to change the look that's going on here. I just don't really care for it anymore. I definitely need to hide these wires. I've been saying that for the longest, but I'm actually gonna do it. And I don't know, I may change out a couple pieces. I'm just kind of like tired of this look. Definitely changing out these knobs. I ordered some knobs already and I love them. So this is going to be definitely a part 2, and I will show you guys the end result of that. So let me show you what my dresser drawer looked like. So I know this is so bad, and look, it's so bad that like the the metal is coming out. Y'all, this is actually like clean the other day. I don't know what happened with this, but it's because I don't have a system. This is somewhat of a system right here. Like this, I think this one kind of always steadily, for the most part, stays decent. And then this one too sometimes, but just recently kind of has gotten out of control. I do have like my bras and my underwear. And this is like more of a junk drawer. I'm not going to show that because it's a mess, and then like socks and stuff. But you guys, I just don't know, like, it's just a mess. So anyway, I am going to organize everything, and I am going to show you guys the process. So step one is obviously pulling everything out and purging, because your girl just needs a good purge. So let's get into it. Oh, so before I forget and before I get into the video, so these are the dividers that I'm going to use in today's video. So I got these from Amazon, and I really love these. They came kind of flat, and you open them up and you just kind of zip the bottom. But they're all like in different sizes, and I think, like I said, they were about like $11 for, I want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. So maybe like $1 a piece for each one, I don't know. But I like, these are perfect and I love these. So I'll show you guys how I use these throughout the video. But first I am going to purge. All right, as you can see, stuff is everywhere in my room. I got my dividers back there, so I'm gonna get those in a minute. I empty out most of the dresser drawers, except these two. I think with these two, and I have the dividers already in this one because I already had them. But I think with these two, like I said, I'm just gonna keep them in there. Obviously, I'm gonna have to pull stuff out, but for the most part, just kind of pull stuff or put stuff into the dividers as I'm kind of putting the dividers into the drawers, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna get my dividers and fit them into the dresser drawers. Alright, so I have finally got all of the dividers in the drawers. I'm loving this. Like, this honestly is gonna make things a bit more organized and way more structured, and you can just kind of see everything. I do have the bigger ones in my just wider dresser drawers. So I only have these two, and then obviously the ones for my socks, which I already had these. I don't know if I want to order 2 more of these. I kind of feel like I should just clean this up. But I also feel like this would maybe help with that. I don't know, I'm kind of torn. But I think for now, I'm gonna see how my system in this drawer and this drawer work. So maybe I'll just clean these 2 up, and refold everything, make it look nice, and then just use these. And if I really like these, which I'll come back and let you guys know how, you know, the system is going. But if I really like these, I'll just order 2 more of these and then just put them in the drawer. The bad thing about these are they don't fit the entire drawer. So I may look into actually getting drawer dividers, like actual dividers to divide everything, to keep everything nice and neat in like one confined space. It definitely needs some type of system, so I'm gonna try these out. But I already know these for like my undergarments are gonna be amazing. right guys, I am finally done with this dresser drawer organization, and I gotta say I'm in love. I was a little skeptical about the bigger size organizational storage things because I felt like it wouldn't really fit into like what I had, but I love them. Like, I love each and every one of them. Like I said before, the smaller ones are definitely great for your undergarments because those are like smaller like pieces of clothing and fabric, but I like a 10 out of 10, guys. You gotta order this from Amazon. This is a game changer and honestly a great system for your dresser drawers to keep everything nice and neat. I think with dresser drawers and clothing, that's like the hardest thing to keep your system and to keep organized in your home, because you really have to be intentional. Like we have to be intentional with all of our organizational systems. But I will say, like, the dividers and having the organizational like storage bins really help keep you accountable because they look so nice in the dresser drawers. So let me show you guys the after. All right guys, here is the after. Guys, that is it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm also gonna be doing a part 2 to this video, and the part 2, like I said before, is gonna be more decor focused because look at these, like these gotta go, okay? And I have some really cute knobs which I cannot wait to show you guys. I may just get rid of all of this stuff up here. I don't know. I don't want to get too crazy with redecorating everything. I definitely want to keep everything simple because I know I probably won't be here for too long, but I definitely need a change and I definitely need to switch this up. Like it's tired. It's tired. And this will be a great video to show you guys that you can do more with the IKEA dresser. So be sure to stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Bye guys.